right now we just brought in the AE86 into the garage. So that was pretty much a mission itself. 3 people had to do it. So thank you, one. I appreciate you.
Got you, bro. Got you.
For always helping.
Got you, bro.
So let's get down to business.
Let me show them the 86 real quick.
Alright, so pretty much we're gonna start here in the engine bay. There's a bunch of spider webs. It's been sitting for probably like 10 years. I don't know, this thing is older than my son. All this, we have to get all this fixed right here, which is no bueno. You don't want rust in your car because once it starts, it just keeps growing and you don't want that. Alright, so first off that I'm noticing, yeah, that's no good. There's the GTS, like the battery harness that connects to the starter or the alternator. I forget which one it is exactly, but you definitely need this. I'm probably gonna take all this apart. I'm gonna start cleaning out the whole engine bay and start getting this ready.
What are you doing?
What's up, Leo?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Say hi.
What's going on, John? You ready?
Oh, dude, we're
ready?
already struggling, bro.
This is the first little. Take that loose real quick.
Yeah. So hoses, bro. That's what happens when you let a car sit for a long time. Everything is seized.
There you go. Look at that, guys. Yeah, you guys. Honestly, this is gonna be more of like a project.
Oh, let's run it, bro.
This is crazy though, bro.
Run it.
I think this is the biggest mission we're gonna have.
Oh yeah. A little old school OG hack from the body shop boys that taught me this. Always get the rear end of a 1/4-inch drive, the 10 mil. And just pop these clips out. And there you go. It releases the harness, the clips from the harness. So there's one right here. I'm gonna do the same thing. If you do get one of these, get a clean one. You want one that's already pretty much ready to go. The motor's already in. It's all personal preference too. If you want to keep it like 4AG, there's different other engines that you could put in here too, like the beams, the 3SGE. Right now for this one, like we showed in the last video, we have the motor from AE101 from Japan. It's a 20 valve 4AGE, so ITBs, it's gonna sound good. And we'll get this thing going. Pretty much disconnected all the engine harness, or not the engine harness, the engine bay front end harness, the headlight harness, whatever you want to call it. So that's all disconnected now. Next step, let's take off the fenders, baby. So next day, boys, we're over here working on this now in the interior. Got Matt with us.
Oh, brother. Oh, the fenders are ready. They took out some of the engine bay stuff. Well, you guys took out a lot of stuff in the engine bay, huh? Everything, huh?
Well,
Most majority of everything, huh?
somewhat.
Almost naked now. Then we got the skirts right here.
Her. Likes you.
Look at the fenders, man. Those are really light, man, compared to the S chassis ones.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
Everything on this car is light. So pretty much, we had to snake out the engine harness. Where'd you get this, Matt? Tweak Performance. Tweak Performance. So they made these a while ago, probably like 10 years ago. We had to sneak it through under the dash and through the engine bay, so we took this out. And then Matt went ahead and took out all the side skirts, the fenders, obviously. And then we also took this apart, which is the cowl that goes right here and the little grill spot, whatever you call those. Took those out, and then you said you wanted to paint them, right? Something like that? Yeah. You tilt your steering wheel or took off the steering wheel? It's already tilted. No. Oh.
Hold on.
It's caught on your side though.
I know. Let me see. It's this right here. I think it's this. There, it's right
there it is, boys. A dash that's older than me and you put together.
Damn.
Look at that, dude. Look at the freaking Grand Canyon.
Look at those cracks, bro.
Yeah, typical.
You think he's gonna replacing it or?
I don't know, probably. Good luck fixing it. Hey, this thing wasn't even cracked, huh, when you got it?
No, yeah, it wasn't.
So a replacement, or you're gonna rebuild it?
I'm gonna try to rebuild it.
Damn, bro. Looks so weird now off the dash. This is crazy, man.
Fun stuff, huh?
Yeah, this is gonna be really, really fun.
This harness that goes right here, I kind of want to pull the wires out, but I have to figure out which ones I have to disconnect underneath.
Yeah, try to push it towards me.
I'm trying. My hand barely fits.
There you go. Here's the engine bay harness, the front harness that connects to all the headlights. And
Then I'm gonna have to rebuild anyways for the new headlight.
I think this is the most biggest project we're gonna have, you know, in this garage. I don't know if you guys seen our last videos, me and John. We had the 240. It was just a paint job, body work, but this is a whole different ball game now. What do you think, John?
the whole restoration, baby.
Yeah, it's a whole different ball game now.
Yeah. Hey, if it ain't easy, then it's good.
Yes, sir. Are you remembering everything or no?
Locked into my brain, brother. Now you always either, when putting this back together, you pretty much just mount the fuse box and then you feed everything back out, back into under the dash.
Inside. Hopefully I can get that back in.
Hopefully, we'll see.
Hey guys, we even forgot some parts that we didn't show on the last video.
Previous video.
Let me see. I think we did show. Did we show this?
Not really. Something like
The
that.
old headers.
High quality
I have brand new
exhaust.
ones.
You got brand new ones? What kind?
Oh, I forget.
The Martilius.
I got Martilli's.
Shit, you already know every single part for this Corolla, huh?
Yeah, I already know what he has. I know the chonies he's wearing.
And this is what a rusted. You're gonna give this to John? This block?
It's a 4AG, a 20 valve, a silver top
Block.
block.
We build another one. We just need a head.
But it's been sitting back here so long that it already started to rust.
Just have parts and parts and parts, man.
These are all the parts for the block in this box. I think there's some 16 valve parts in here too.
Ooh, keep that.
How many Black Widows have we killed? Like 2 already?
Something like
I
that.
don't know, like a million. No, I need something because
You ever brought a torch of Black Widow?
Yeah, I torched one.
a broom or something.
Want a broom? Yeah, that's for sure. I remember mine had a bunch too.
Okay, he already broke 2 of them. He's gonna be 2 for 2 right now.
Careful, I'm ready to work.
Are there side ones or no?
Yeah. I have to figure out how to do it.
There it is.
There it is. Back, baby.
This is the John that I'm used to. Oh gosh. Now it's time. It's go time.
Go time, baby. Alright, to remove the bumper, there's 2 brackets that go inside to the chassis. I believe you have to do it from the top. So you have to take out this cover to get to, what is that, like an 18, 17? Little bolt right there to take out the bumper. Then have to do it on the other side.
That's it. The bumper's out.
So I hope so. There she is.
And there it is, baby. Remember, guys, we have all these parts right here already. So don't panic. Don't panic. Don't be like, oh yeah, they're ruining the car.
Hey, there's bumpers for sale. If anybody wants a GTS for a bumper, even though they're probably the same.
Torch it, John.
Should I?
Yeah, just torch it, brother.
Alright.
We'll get some National Geographic right here, guys. Like I told you, guys, we already killed 3, but look at John about to torch them.
Oh,
He's
it's all
gone.
cooked.
So we have the rear right here. Are we gonna throw it on today, guys, or we're not gonna throw it on today?
The rear bumper, we can mock it up.
Yeah, let's see how it looks.
You just have to take these off.
Finally, you've had these what, since 88?
Since I bought the car.
It's gonna look like that Car X type of look, huh? They be hopping on Car X or no? No, you don't know what's Car X?
No.
What?
Nah, you don't play.
I'm too old for that.
Oh, you're young still, fool. Relax. You're still young. You're young. What's gonna give it that Car X? I don't know if you guys played a Car X, but watch. You guys will see.
Tell me. We got Matt doing this one.
Show them that.
Devil run swing is going on, baby.
Sorry, guys. He's live right now. He's live. He's live. Beautiful.
What?
No, honestly, it looks hard, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That shit look, yeah, it looks tough. And I don't think so. I know so. It's actually hard. What do you think, Matt?
It's good.
How good out of a 10?
11 out of 10.
There you go, baby.
It'll look better once it's painted.
So what do you guys think right there? Damn. It's just a mock-up though. I think the boys are gonna throw on the
right here.
they're gonna throw on the front one now too. Oh my goodness, it still looks sick though. So it's 1-on-1 at that color. It's a special paint, huh?
Yeah, Mac Blue.
Isn't that the color that you want to actually paint your car?
Nah, it's a little bit lighter, but
My car will be lighter than that. That's
That shit looks tough.
the color of the Volt Mag Blue.
the Mac Blue wheels.
Thing looks clean, man. For sale, offer up. Here you go. Bumper, side skirts, fenders, all for sale on offer up. You gonna weld some stuff?
Yeah, I'm not gonna weld up all this right here. Cancer.
Let me see. Get under that.
But it shouldn't be that bad. I can cut a piece here and shape a piece to fit right there.
It's not that bad though, to be honest with you.
I think this is the worst part of the car.
Underneath.
Just
Oh,
this
they gave-
area. Other side's good. I mean, there's some rust, but it's
Nothing, bro.
nothing.
It's nothing too crazy. That should be fixable easily. Look at that, guys. There's water inside.
These are done.
Well, you already freaking have new ones.
Yeah, I know.
This guy ain't stopping, guys. He just keep on going and going. He's digging and digging.
How we looking? Want to talk to me?
We're looking good already.
This is our Steven Spielberg. Oh, you didn't know what that is. Huh?
Or what is it, Quentin Tarantino?
Quentin Tarantino, yeah. Kill Bill. Alright then boys, so that's going to be it for this episode. Pretty much we cleared out the whole engine bay, took out the dash, took out the rear end, test fitted the bash bars as well. I'm just trying to mock up everything and see. So big plans coming, big win. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all take care. Later.
NICE!